Hello everyone and welcome along to our latest video repair. I'm Martin Sadler from Dent-Remover. What I've got for you today is a BMW 140i. It's quite a decent sized crease on the rear arch. So I'm going to have to glue pull it and hopefully find a bit of access to get onto the body line. So let's go and take a look. It's going to be a time lapse and I'll show you the tools that I used at the end of the video. So enjoy! Okay, so to get to the back of the arch inside the quarter panel, we've got to take this this bung out, and to get to that there's two 10mm plastic nuts. So take these two out first, and then you take this bung out, and then we can get the tool inside there. Alright, so let's have a look at the what tools I used to do the repair on the BMW. We've got the Glexo hot glue with your glue gun. That's I use that all the time now. The Glexo stuff's bang on. G-Technique panel wipe, what I use to take the glue off and obviously clean the panel with a clean rag. All your glue tabs, these are the ones that I have used. You've got like your little crease tabs, the Keiko ice ones, your old, been out for a few years now, Black Plague tabs, your gangrene ones, your hog tabs, and I've just done a gangrene one, just chopped it down so I can get tiny creases out pretty well. My knockdowns with various ends on, that was to tapping down quite a bit of the damage without damaging the paintwork. When I was towards the end I was using the VIP tip because I can pinpoint where I'm tapping down. Shane Jack's hammer, blending hammer, but I just use it for everything. Your mini lifters and your pull dog sliding hammer. For the edge, I was using the edge pliers, and as well as using that, I was using the Doda with a Keiko blending tip on there. I don't really use it for blending, but it's great for getting on the lip of something because it distributes the pressure and it pulls them out quite nicely. And then I was using the Hoola Hoop bar to get in through the grommet, put on a smaller tip there so I could get right into the V. pretty much like that. And that just pulled out the body line. And that's it, that's all the tools that I used to do the repair. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for watching this quick time lapse and tool review on what I've used to repair this. If you do like my videos, well, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for now, see you later.